All right, welcome to ArchiveHub Demo System Access. So you would have got the IP address and the address and instructions and the email and the password. So you'll be entering your email and the password. In the case of single sign-on, you can directly log in here. Okay, so I'm going to log in now with the user ID password. So since this is a demo system, you would get pretty much all access to different modules like controlling asset accounting, materials management, sales and distribution, plan maintenance, production planning, quality management, project systems. You can actually go ahead in the right side. You can click on this arrow that you would be able to see pretty much all the modules. Then you have key user access as well, which will go. So now just to run any apps, you can click on these tiles or directly enter here in the search button any T code or a report name or partial name. You don't have to know the full name. For example, if you know purchase order like PUR, so as you type in, it's going to appear. Okay, purchase order, or you can type in as ME23N, for example, ME23N. Okay, so you can click on that. So it will take you to this purchase order display. Lot of selection criteria. You can F4 and then start typing. Like as you type, they will appear. You can select and click, like for example, enter 1000. Or you don't have to actually. You can leave blank and but enter other details. So for example, I just click go button. You see all these results, right? Again, I can filter like company code 1000 and show me maybe plant 1000, right? By this way, I am filtering these purchase orders to these plant 1000 and company code 1000. I can drill down further into it to get into purchase order details, where you will see partner information, release, change history information, header conditions, and there is one line item. You can drill down further. I click on it and it will take you to the line item detail. Okay, so where you can see if that goods have been received in the history, you can see or you can see account assignment details, right? Okay, so I would take you to an example where we would see some attachments. So I'm just clicking on this, and here I'm going further into it. Here are line items detail. If you have a header text, you would see here, and here are some attachments. So I'm just clicking on the attachments. Now this is you can view these attachments. Okay, so that's just an example. Here again you have for example, you can export this into Excel. I'm just removing this input value, and you can click on this export to spreadsheet, and you can choose whether you want 2000 records or 20,000 records, and download. That's going to open up your Excel, and now here we go, it's downloaded. Okay, you can open this one. So in the same fashion, I'll run a couple of other reports. Finance FP03 financial document. I can enter 1000 company code again, 2010 for example, and then click go button. Here you can see all these financial documents, and you can drill down further into line items level. This is your journal entry detail. If you want to see this GL account master, just click on it. So it will be a GL account master data. And so and then you have many other you click on this. This will take you to the cost center master data, and then similar to the profit center as well, right? Again, here you can actually go ahead and add more fields if you like. Then there is a gear wheel here. You can see here 150 fields are turned on. However, if you want more, for example, add the clearing document business area and a value date, and click on it, so they will appear here, right? You can save these ones so that you don't have to every time put it. Like you can go ahead and save as, and then put a name, and make it as public. If you make it public, then it will be available for other people to use your variant as well. So I can say here demo 3 for example, and then I click on it, so I have it here. Okay, so in this way you can actually save these variants. The variants are available at different places, in the front one as well. You can save input criteria, so you never have to type in if you are frequently using certain input fields. All right, so that takes us back to some other transactions. Say, for example, customer line items. Okay, I can just pick up some variants, cleared items. I can enter some dates. So there is already date here. Um, I can remove the customer as well, um, or change it. I can see here. Here you can scroll to the right and bring certain other fields if you're looking for certain other fields. Okay, there's some more fields that are available. Okay, so this you can export. Similarly, FPL 3N 1N you can do it. So now I'm going back to certain other transactions, asset transactions, for example, asset explorer. Okay, so I would be going into 1000 company code and 2010. So as soon as I selected the variant, they appeared the results because in one of these variant, I have it as apply automatically. So as soon as you select apply automatically means this also press the go button by itself, then you get the results. Now you can drill down further into this asset. Okay, so now you are able to see um, posted values, plan values, and comparisons. Okay, scroll back. So this is similar to this. You can browse through certain other transactions, materials management, sales and distribution. Oh, one thing I wanted to show is the sales order and billing document, how you can look up the document flow. So the document flow, for example, I would go into sales orders. Okay, so there is one document flow example, or I can pick up something else. Okay, so that's an example. So I'll just click go button. I have one document which I can look up. Click on this document flow here. You see here for this sales order, you have a goods movement document, delivery document, picking request, and goods issue invoice. So if I click on this invoice, it will take me to VF03. So I'll click on it. So it'll open another page. I'll go to the next page and VF03 will open. Similarly, delivery VL03 and will open. So I can actually open that one as well. So this fashion, you will be able to drill down to many places. Here you can see here, if you click on this, it'll take you to the vendor, in this case customer master. Okay, all right, so that is an example of document flow. And you will be able to access, for example, bill of materials CS03. I can pick up some example of plant 1000. Just click and then you will get these bill of material. You can drill down further into it, and you can see there is a component. You can further click on this component to go into further details. Okay, oh, that is actually component. If you click, it will take you to MM03, wherein you can look up pretty much all the views in MM03. You can see here at the right side there is a arrow which indicates you will have every views here. You can see here basic data to packaging and general data, accounting one. So I click on the accounting one, so you can see accounting one view. If that data is available, then you will be able to see. Okay, all right, so going back to project systems, are there key user app? Okay, there is a table. Table browser is there. You can enter any table, like for example um, EKPO table, which is your purchasing item. So I click on it. As soon as you click, so you can see here this table. You will have full record. You can go to the next page, next page, next page, and you can export this one, or you can actually bring in multiple fields as well, because you can here by default 12 fields are turned on out of 364. Every other field is available. You can say stock type and a couple of other fields, and I'm just clicking OK. Now they are available here. Okay, so now you can also export this. You can view this description or technical name as well. You can click on it, the field name will be available. If you click on it and then click go button, you you should be able to see that. Okay, so that's about table browser. I mean, you can browse through every table. You can actually enter manually here. Or for example, I can say BKPF is a table I wanted to enter, and you see here BKPF table. Okay, I want to enter BSEG table, BSEG. I can look up BSEG table. Okay, I can set an MARA table. I can look up and execute. Okay, so there is another one called ad hoc query builder. This is like for advanced users. Um, there is another video that I'll actually give you where I explain scenarios for this ad hoc query builder. So other than that, just play around with this system and see the look and feel and let us know if you find any issues or anything, any gap. We'll be able to fix it immediately. All right, thank you so much. See you in another video.